Hey there, viewers. If you're ready to begin investing, this video will help you get started on your investment journey with Bondora. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to open your Bondora investor account. Visit Bondora.com and click the green Join Now button in the top right corner. Enter your email address, your name as it appears on your ID document, and mobile number. Then click the Register button. By clicking the Register, you agree to our terms of use. On the next page, review the privacy policy and risk statement. Then check the boxes to confirm that you've read and understand them. If you want to receive offers and advertisements from Bondora, select the last field. To advance, click Confirm. On the following screen, select your investing goal and create a plan for your new Go and Grow account. Confirm that you've read the relevant document, then click Create My Go and Grow button. Finally, use the payment details shown in the Add Money to your account or skip this step for now. Don't forget to open the confirmation email in your inbox and change your password to secure your account. And that's it. You're ready to start investing with Go and Grow. Please click the subscribe button if you want to get more helpful tips from Bondora. Thanks for watching, keep investing, and bye for now.